Hi, this is John Stumps. I'm the broker and owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Plus Realty. Standing outside our office here in downtown Powell, Ohio. And I thought I'd just give you a quick run through the office so you can see what kind of office facility we have here. It's important nowadays to have a physical location. And it's more than just the virtual office that most people have. Welcome inside. This is our lobby area, and nice seating area for anybody who, if you're going to meet guests. There's a rear entrance to the back parking area. Lots of parking space in the back. This is where our receptionist sits in her computer station. And we also have a bullpen area with walk-up computer terminals, mailboxes, and that type of thing. Back here, we've got a couple different computer terminals, but we also have an extra office space that we use as an overflow meeting room. So if our regular conference room is taken up, you have a nice place to meet a client, and we might even consider renting that office if it's needed by somebody. Over here's our high-speed color copier. It's Konica Minolta Biz Hub. Real nice copier. You can scan, fax, email, anything you want on that, and also a backup copier over there, so we're never down. Also over here we've got our regular conference room. I'm set up there now today, but this is where we do office meetings, client meetings. We have a very nice, I don't know, it's a 55-inch TV we use to display our any type of presentation you need to do, and coffee maker and all that. So we're all set, ready to go for any office need, and to have a nice place to meet with a client. If you're going to meet for the first time, you want to have a place that looks nice and that looks professional, and that's exactly what you're going to get here. So thanks for taking a tour of our office. Hope you come over in person and you get to see it one time. Take care. Bye.